Hello students, in the last class we were able to know how to use factorization method to solve quadratic equation. We were able to learn how to use factorization method to solve quadratic equation. Now, in a situation whereby we are given the roots and we are told to look for the quadratic equation that gives us the roots, how are we going to do it? Now, find the quadratic equation whose roots are -2 and +2. The quadratic equation whose roots are -2 and +2. This means that the value for x is -2 and the value for x is what? +2. So we can look for the factors that give us these two solutions to be the answer. So when x is -2, bring this -2 to this side, it now turn to x plus 2 is equal to 0. And when x is +2, bring this +2 to this other side. Whenever plus crosses equality sign, turn to -2 is equal to 0. So that means the two factors of that equation is x plus 2 and x minus 2. X plus 2 is equal to 0, x minus 2 is equal to 0. Let's now bring these two factors together to form an equation. So that means we have x plus 2 times x minus 2 is equal to 0. So from here you are going to expand. So use this x to multiply x minus 2 plus 2 to multiply x minus 2. So when you expand, x times x minus 2 plus 2 times x minus 2. So open the bracket here. X times x will give you x squared. X times -2 will give us -2x, plus 2 times x will give us plus 2x, plus 2 times -2 plus times minus will give us minus 2 times 2 will give us 4. So that means you have x squared minus 2x plus 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. So you can resolve -2x plus 2x is what? 0. -2x plus 2x is 0. So you are now left with what? X squared minus 2x plus 2 squared x is 0. Then we have -4 is equal to 0. So then this is the quadratic equation that gave -2 and +2 to be the solution of the equation. So x squared minus 4 is equal to 0. Let's look at another example. We have find the quadratic equation whose roots are 2 and half and -1. 2 and a half and -1. So let's start with the 2. When x is 2 and a half, 2 and a half is same thing. And when you write this as an improper fraction, 2 times 2 is what? 4. 4 plus 1, 5, making 5 over 2. So x is equal to 5 over 2. So we want to look for the factor. So that means this 2 here, bring it here to now turn to what? 2x is equal to 5. So we are looking for the factor of that equation. 2x is equal to 5. Now let us bring this plus 5 to this side. This plus 5. When you cross equality sign, now turn to 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. So this is one of the factor. Then the other one is saying that what? X is equal to -1. So let us try to make this also a factor. So this -1 here, when it crosses the equality sign, it will now turn to what? Plus. So that means x plus 1 is equal to 0. So these are the two factors of the equation. Let's bring them together. We now have it as 2x minus 5 times x plus 1. We now have it as 2x minus 5 times x plus 1 is equal to 0. So let's now expand this. Use 2x multiply x plus 1 minus 5 to multiply x plus 1. So 2x times x plus 1 minus 5 times x plus 1. So open the bracket. 2x times s will give us 2x squared. 2x times 1 will give us plus 2x. Minus 5 times s will give us minus 5x. Minus 5 times 1 will be minus times plus is minus. 5 times 1 is what? 5. So that means you now have 2x squared. 2x minus 5x will give us minus 3x minus 5 equals 0. So this is the quadratic equation that will give us 2 and a half and minus 1 to be the solution of the equation. So the quadratic equation is for 2x squared minus 3x minus 5 equals 0. So now let's look at the work practice. Find the quadratic equations whose roots are given below. 1. When the root is 5 and minus 9. 2. When the root is minus 1 and minus half. 3. When the root is minus 2 over 3 and minus 1 over 4. 4. When the root is 0 and 4. 5. When the root is 3 over 4 and minus 1 over 2. 6. When the root is 3 plus root 5 and 3 minus root 5. Please ensure you like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Thank you.